Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Friday, March 15th of 2019. So we do have a riddle for the day today for Friday. So the riddle is, what has a head, a tail, is brown, and has no legs? So if you know the answer for that one, if you see me somewhere during the point of the time of the day and want to know the answer to the riddle, you can please give me an answer at that time, but don't leave class to take time out of the instruction to tell me what the answer to the riddle is. Just a reminder, boys and girls, that Picture Day is Monday, so this coming Monday on March 18th will be Picture Day. And also for March birthdays, we do have a birthday over the weekend, so on St. Patrick's Day, actually, Quincy Bolden. So happy birthday, Quincy. I hope you have a great day over the weekend. For our lunch choices, we have a cookie with every lunch today. So we have turkey melt or pulled pork melt, cheese pizza, or chicken Caesar salad with Cheez-Its. And today for our pause, we have some things that the girls from 4th grade had come up with. Some things deal with playground, and some things are just good things to know about pause. Alright, it is time for our pause, so we have some 4th grade girls here to talk about our things with our pause.
Don't push people. If you push them, they will get mad and sad at you. Helping others pick up their book. Don't talk in the hall. Don't be mean to others.
Those are all great suggestions. Thank you. Thank you, girls, and at this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag and the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls, and everyone. Let's have a wonderful Friday today. Let's make some great choices, and remember, the choices are yours, so let's make the day a great one.